The question I got asked is there a way to export out my bookmarks and my YouTube subscriptions so I can move them to another Google account? I'm going to show you what you can do in this video, but before I show you, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. So first of all, straight up answer. There's a way to move your bookmarks, but I can't find any way to export out or import your YouTube subscriptions. Let me show you the research I did. So here I'm logged into my account here, and you can see I'm logged in as burrisconsulting@gmail.com, and I'm in my Chrome browser. And if I go to bookmarks and go to bookmark manager, there's my 3 bookmarks, a whole lot of them. Over here to the far right is the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and you can export out bookmarks. And I can give it a name, BCI Google.html. I'll put it on my desktop so I know where it's at and hit save. Now notice it's Channel Analytics, Core, and Banana Farmers. So let's go to another account. So I'm in another account. The account I'm in over here is teddyburris@gmail.com. So I'm going to go to Bookmarks, Bookmark Manager, and I'm going to go to the 3 dots over here. Actually, I'm going to create a new folder. Let me create a new folder, add new folder. I'm going to say from testing account, and there's my folder under the bookmark bar. I can move that if I want to other bookmarks, just grab and drop it. So I'm going to stay in that folder. I'm into 3 dots. I'm going to say import. There's the file. Hit OK or open. And no matter what I do, interestingly enough, I thought I was going to import them there, but it puts them up here. So now what I have to do is I have to grab them and drag them over here. Not sure why. It's not what I expected. And put them here. And there they are there. So export out your bookmarks and import your bookmarks. Now, as far as YouTube, I've searched high and low, and I can find nothing in YouTube, YouTube support, YouTube community support for any functionality that will allow me to export out my subscriptions and import them into another account. So the best option I have would be for you to bring up your subscriptions. Right here they are. And view your subscriptions. And then while you're viewing them, what you could do is open in or copy the link and go open it up in another YouTube channel. And when you open up in another YouTube channel, you could then click subscribe. I wish there was a way to export them, but I cannot find that. Just doesn't seem to exist. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.